Imagine a gathering so vast, so harmonious, that it can be seen from space. This is the Kumbh Mela, the world's largest human congregation, and it's more than a religious festival. It's a masterclass in scale, sustainability, and service. But what makes the Kumbh Mela truly remarkable is its essence. It's not just about bringing millions together, it's about doing so with a purpose, a spiritual infrastructure that manages human consciousness on a colossal scale. Let's talk about scale with soul. The Kumbh Mela isn't just large, it's deeply meaningful. It shows us how an ancient system can orchestrate harmony among millions, a lesson global businesses can take to heart. Next up, sustainability. Long before it became a buzzword, the Kumbh Mela was a model of eco-friendly practices. From waste management to resource conservation, it teaches us that sustainability isn't an option, but a responsibility. And then, leadership through service. At the Kumbh, leaders serve first. They create an environment where everyone feels valued and included. It's a powerful reminder that true leadership is about nurturing ecosystems, not just building infrastructure. For global leaders, the Kumbh Mela is a treasure trove of wisdom. It shows us the power of inclusive growth, spiritual technology, and harmonious collaboration. It embodies the essence of India's strength, nurturing values and inspiring unity. As India steps onto the global stage, the Kumbh Mela offers a blueprint for a sustainable and impactful civilization. It reminds us that our true legacy lies in preserving our values and inspiring future generations. In the end, the Kumbh Mela teaches us that scale, sustainability, and service are not just principles, but a way of life.